Lay down. Sit. Sit. Say please. Say please. Say please. Crawl. Crawl. Ah. Crawl. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl. Kaiah, lay down. Take a nap. Take a nap. Good girl. Take a nap. Wake up. Good girl. Kaiah, sit. Back. Good girl. Come. Stop. Sit. Back up. Good girl. Kaiah, sit. Wait. Paw. Good girl. Shake. Stop. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Paw. Good girl. And this is how she waits when she sees her food. There's not a big chaos or craziness. I'll put her food right here, you can see in the bowl. And you can see the dog just waiting. And she will wait here as long as she needs to until we tell her, okay. And while she's eating, I can stick my hand in her bowl, or if I needed to, which is really mean, I understand, I can take the whole bowl away. Go ahead, good girl. Good girl. Go potty. Go potty.
Side door.
So our dog is waiting to come in because she needs to get her paws wiped. So she'll stand and wait here until we do that. Good girl, Kaiah. Paw. Good girl. Shake. Good. Walk up. Back legs. Good girl. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.